All right, and welcome to our Literacy Group A number 3. Now, I have a lot of tasks here. There are many steps to this lesson. Now, if this goes over the amount of time that I'm requesting everybody to do, I'm requesting 20 minutes for literacy every day. This can be spread out into 2 or 3 lessons depending on your child's ability to focus and how long it takes to do each step. So the main thing to remember is not to rush. So even if this is the first, this is where you can get for 20 minutes, that's what you will do. But I'm going to show you everything to do for this next phase, and they can go through it at the pace that they want to, okay? So here's what we're going to need from our learning kits for this lesson. Out of your orange literacy folder, you're taking out your letter sound packet. You're taking out your writing prompt number 2. You're taking out your Foundations handwriting page number B, for the letter B. You have your Foundations magnet board, a sentence strip, and a pencil and highlighter. Okay, so let's just go ahead and start and we'll see how far you get. All right, here we go. So the first thing we're going to do is your letter sound drill. Every single time we start, getting the kids used to thinking about letters and sounds, and it's a good way to reinforce their skills. We're going ahead and we're going to do completely the whole alphabet. A apple A, B bat B, till they're done with all of them, and then they're going to do them back up. A apple A, B bat B. So there's your letter sound activity to begin doing your literacy warm-up. So after they have done that, we're going to move on to the word building lesson for today. And we are looking at AP words. The AP word family, and we have a lot of words that we can make with that. Let's put down our B, our C, our G, L, M, N, R, S, and T. So they are going to be making these words. Cap. When they have made their word, today we're going to have them writing their word. So as they make their words, the first one is going to be cap. And you can highlight it for them. And they're going to be writing the first word that they built in the AP word family. K, A, P. See that? And they will trace. Go on to the next one. T, A, P. T, A, P. Okay, and then they're tracing that one. All right? So after they have done that, they're going to put their word foundations letterboard back. And we're going to be moving on to the next thing. Putting all my letters away so they're nice and neat for next time. And the next step in the lesson, whether it's today or tomorrow, wherever you're at, you are going to be looking at our writing prompt for number 2. Yesterday, you did your name. Today, you are writing, I am how many years old? You have a word bank here at the bottom. Are you 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? There's actually a lot of other ages, of course, because they could be 8, 9, or 10. Okay. So they're going to do that writing prompt, and don't hesitate to highlight in the space where they need to write to help them. And that is going to be their writing prompt for the day. I am 10 years old. And then the next thing they're going to do is their practice writing their letter B. So the highlighter really helps again. So you can help them by writing it. And it's a capital B, so again, we always start on the skyline when we're writing our capitals. Starting on the skyline, going down to the grass line, back up to the skyline, loop to the plane line, and then loop to the grass line. B, bat, B. Making your B's. Start at the skyline, it's a capital. Down to the plane line, and down to the grass line. For your lowercase b, you are again starting on the skyline, going down to the grass line and looping around from the plane line to the grass line to make your lowercase b. And they're going to trace. Okay, and once they've done that, we're going to move on to our writing letter sound packet. We're going to do 3 more pages of this. Let's look at this one. E, starting with the E sound. Which ones start with E, E? Elephant. I'm going to circle elephant. P, pen. Does that start with the S sound? No. What about this? This is eggplant. Yes. So it starts with E. I'm going to circle that. Do 3 pages of this packet. Okay. And that is it for Literacy Group A, Lesson 3. All right. Good job.